My name is James Aptakin. I'm owner, chef of Layers of Flavor Catering.
Hi, everybody. I'm Michelle Minori. I'm a chef in San Francisco.
Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Brad Kilgore. I'm chef owner of Kilgore Culinary Group.
My name is Travis Swikard. Now I'm opening my restaurant, Callie, here in San Diego.
Food-wise, what we've been doing has been doing some work with the North Carolina Healthcare Association, where we're able to provide meals to folks working on the front lines.
My name is Adrienne Cheatham. I'm the chef and founder of the Sunday Best pop-up series here in New York.
So welcome to Kvarøy. This is one of our 5 sites that we're located here now. I'm Christensen, I'm CEO of the farm. With me today I have
Poole Olsen. I'm one of the owners of the farm and also the production leader.
Yeah, and my name is Gjermund Olsen. I'm Håvard's brother, as you may see. I'm a project manager and also one of the owners.
Been farming for 44 years, so one of the longest running farms, family owned in Norway. Their grandfather started the company in 1976, and he started with only 3,000 fish, and today we're farming around 2 million fish a year.
It's salmon o'clock here in New York. The dorsal fin that's on the back is more developed than of most farm fish that you see, as well as the tail. That's something that I've always looked for when I was working on sustainability at different restaurants and for chefs that I worked for, was looking at the whole fish. The muscle is developed and those fins are developed all the way through the tail.
Last week I got 400 pounds of this stuff. We cooked 400 pounds of it and fed almost 2,000 people last week with it. So we cooked a lot of it. Yeah, and it was all consistent and beautiful.
It's very important to have a good salmon or large fish in particular in order to get the cooking temperatures that we're looking for and the textures. But then again, you don't want it too large. And so I think it fits right there in that kind of sweet spot.
When I grabbed the gills, they're so plump and almost reddish purple. So, I mean, the freshness was super obvious. We made some for dinner last night. It's got that firmness, then at the same time it melts on your tongue.
Well, as you know, seafood is one of our specialties and very near and dear to the heart, but the definition and how defined the fish was gorgeous. I got this buttery kind of velvety feel, but not mushy. Texture was amazing. It was different from what I'm used to. It was very clean.
The texture is just unbelievable to have that great little fatty rip of the cooked outside, and then the inside's just super buttery, almost like you're eating a raw scallop the way it sits on the palate.
I fell in love again with the marbling and the belly fat. That was one of the things that I just couldn't draw my eye away from when I first saw it, and just the way it felt. You could just smell the cleanliness and that oceany brininess and the algae, and it was sexy.
I worked with a lot of different salmons, and it's nice to see something that's super well balanced like that.